Well, today's task in is this beautiful white Ralliart Mitsubishi Colt. It's having some nice mods. Jason said something was sexy as fuck and mentioned Eden at Gizfab, so let's have a look. Oh yeah, Gizfab. Looking lovely, Eden. Well done. Again, he does make some nice tubular manifolds, don't he? He's a good lad. He's a good lad. Okay, so this has got to pass some health checks before we get started. This is going to leak, Jason. This. It's going to leak.
Is it?
Yeah, we might have to stick standard one on that.
Not very good.
But not very good, mate. But yeah, okay, it's a nice car, ain't it, mate?
Very clean.
Very clean, very sexy, very nice. Okay, lots to do. So, as you can see, hybrid turbo installed. We've got a few bits to tidy up on that before we can get cracking. Also, we've got a intercooler issue where it's foul. The intercooler hose is fouling on the downpipe, so we've got that to do. But yeah, this will be a good one, I think, Jason. I think you'd be surprised how much power this makes. Nice. Okay, so here we go. This is the start. We fitted a 3-port solenoid. It's got some pink Denso injectors in it, so it's ready to make some power. And it's got the Arashi turbo on it, plus full complement of stage 2 mods, which I will make a list of. But here we go. So as we said earlier, beautiful Gizfab full branch manifold. Nice, nice. Full Dynodaze hoses, 4-jar rest valve. We got ourselves the AEM filter that we sell. It's got a full Gizfab exhaust system with the downpipe as well. It's got an Ecutek front mount, which is in there somewhere. There we go. Yeah, we're ready to make some power now. It's got its pink injectors in the back. It's got a fuel pump. It's got stage 2 clutch. Yeah, and it's now, because you can hear it running, it's now got its Ecutek bass file on. So we're ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. What's all that noise, bro? What's all that noise?
All that noise? Pops and bangs, isn't it?
Okay, so Dynodaze custom Ecutek map on an Arashi turbo, and here's what we've made. As you can see, we made 265 brake horsepower and exactly 250 foot-pound of torque, which is obviously, we've capped that. That's nearly 240 wheel horsepower, so that's going to feel incredible. Yeah, happy days. It's another one done.
Life moves pretty fast.